Hello, gorgeous. Are you accessory challenged and you don't know what necklace to put with what neckline when you're wearing a dress? Give me a like or give me a heart if this is you, and let's go. I'm Credibility Christi, and I'm going to show you an easy way to determine what type of necklace you should wear with which type of necklines if you need a necklace at all. Stay tuned until the end, and I'm going to give you a bonus tip on which necklines don't need a necklace and how to determine what color metals that you wear with different dresses. Our first neckline is a narrow deep V neckline. So with a narrow deep V neckline, you want to use just a really delicate, nice, simple pendant that's going to come and hang in one focal point down close to where the V is. So that way your neckline is set off, you're elongating your neck and your features as well, and just keeping a nice, simple, clean look. So the second neckline we're going to talk about is the square neckline. So one thing that I love about accessorizing is when you can take elements within the garment and repeat those with the accessories. What I mean by that is this rectangle necklace is perfect for this squared rectangle neckline because it repeats the pattern, the shape of the neckline, which is very flattering. Also, you can come in not only with a rectangle like this, but any type of horizontal necklace like the cross you see here as well. Next up, we have the ever popular jewel neckline. So a jewel neckline is a higher neckline and it gives you lots of empty space here, and so you want to have a really beautiful accessory that's going to fill that space. You can either do something longer like this, or if you are not that much into long necklace and would rather do a shorter one, you can also come in with one like this, which when this is actually on the neck, it's going to come here and just frame the edge of that jewel neckline, which is beautiful. Another really hot thing right now is layering with accessories, layering with necklaces. And actually, when we put this together, after we saw it hanging, I was like, you know what, I love this piece paired with this necklace. So this is a great way you can also layer to get a great look as well. This particular neckline is really unique, and I love it when you find a piece like this, although it's not that often, where it has just a slight scoop here and it's got this point here. So a necklace like this is great with it because, again, it has a little bit of visual element to it because it's not a completely rounded necklace the way that it comes up into almost a little bit of a smile. So it also adds a really unique element and feature when you're accessorizing a neckline like this. And now we're ready for a portrait neckline. This is a gorgeous neckline and it shows a lot of skin. So you want to use a necklace that's a little bit more substantial, that's going to break up some of the skin here for you so that you don't feel as bare. And also this has a little bit of scoop on the sides here, and that's why I chose this rounded necklace here that mirrors the rounding of the portrait neckline. And because the portrait neckline also has this really nice V, you can go the pendant route as well. So if you'd rather something just a little bit more classic and elegant, a pendant works as well with this neckline. And here we are with a faux wrap dress. So I'm going to show you the detailing here where this is like a crossover line, but it does create that nice deep V. So you want to use the same thought process in coming in with just a nice simple pendant in the V-line area, again to elongate and thin the neckline and shoulder area. What? You win all prizes. You made it to tip time. So now I'm going to go over necklines that don't even need a necklace, which we call those here one and done. When it's so simple, you just put the dress on and you're out the door. Look at this neckline here. Any neckline that has this intricate, unique detailing is your accessory enough, so you don't need one. This is clean enough where you could put a necklace with it as well. If you do, you want to go the pendant route like we did the very first dress that we looked at. And look at this beauty. So again, the V on this is so narrow that no necklace would even read or show up with that. So this, you're terrific going just like this with a great earring is all you need to finish the outfit. And now we have this beauty. I love an asymmetrical neckline. They are fabulous. And the beauty of an asymmetrical neckline is the asymmetry in the neckline itself. So you do not want to put a necklace with this. I see it so often where somebody will put a choker style necklace with an asymmetrical neckline, and it does not work. So the joy of this is it is truly a one and done, and your accessory is built in with your neckline. And these last two necklines, again, just show you when you have something really special or unique with the neckline, like this has the pleating that comes across here and goes down into the bust line, and then you've got your detailing on the shoulder with this. That's all the accessorizing you need. That with a terrific earring, and you're good to go. And now for my last tip on what color metal do you put with what color dress. So there are a couple of indicators. The first most obvious indicator is, does your dress have any metal detailing in it? So this particular dress, you're like, oh no, it's just a simple navy blue. Well, hello, there are these buttons down here, and these are actually a gunmetal color that are down here, and they're nice and round. So we paired with it this necklace that has the gunmetal finish as well, and it's got a little bling to it. We love the pave kind of bling to, again, repeat and mimic what is built in the dress to start with. And this dress, obviously, it has the gold button detailing here, and so this you would wear a gold detail with that. That also helps you determine what color shoe you wear. We're going to do a video on how to choose footwear in the future, so stay tuned for that. I am so glad that you joined us. If this helped you, if you learned something, give me a like, give me a heart, subscribe to my channel. I would love to share with you more knowledge and information on your image and appearance and personal branding. Have a terrific day, and we'll see you soon.